In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for learning, a step-by-step guide. First, set yourself up for success by matching your learning goal to the correct model tier. At the top of your chat window, use the model selection framework to route tasks by complexity. Keep it on the instant tier for rapid, high-volume memory work. It replies in milliseconds, making it ideal for quick definition lists, turning messy notes into flashcards, running spelling drills, or translating simple vocabulary. When you're wrestling with dense, layered ideas, switch to the thinking tier. Its deeper reasoning helps break down advanced programming syntax, parse complex math derivations, untangle philosophical arguments, and reveal structural gaps in your understanding. Next, drive clarity with a Feynman-style breakdown instead of vague prompts. Avoid typing "explain machine learning to me." That kind of input invites a dry, hard-to-retain summary. Instead, type, "act as a world-class educator, cognitive science researcher, and expert academic communicator. I want to learn the core foundational concept of insert complex topic, e.g., object-oriented programming, supply and demand loops. Use the Feynman technique to break it down, provide a highly intuitive explanation that a 12-year-old can easily understand. Utilize a vivid real-world analogy to anchor the logic and explicitly highlight the common mental blind spots or misconceptions beginners run into when trying to master this topic. Then, replace passive reading with active recall using a Socratic tutor. Copy and paste. Act as a patient, encouraging academic tutor and Socratic educator. I am currently studying insert subject/topic name. I do not want you to output a long lecture or give me a summary sheet. Instead, teach me this topic by asking me one targeted, guiding question at a time to test my current understanding. Wait for my response before moving forward. Once I input my answer, evaluate my logic honestly, fix any underlying conceptual errors, and present the next step or question in the sequence. Answer each question out loud or in writing to strengthen memory. Finally, lock in knowledge with high-friction testing. Act as a rigorous university examiner and curriculum designer. Create a customized 3-question practice quiz regarding insert specific subject/exam topic. The quiz must include one conceptual multiple-choice question, one analytical scenario-based question, and one short answer problem. Do not output the answers in line. Present only the questions. Once I submit my raw answers, provide an explicit grading scorecard, detail the exact diagnostic methodology behind the correct answers, and give me a checklist of steps to fix my weakest areas. Review the scorecard, then revisit weak spots using the earlier prompts. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next one.